This is the Shure MV5 USB microphone. On the back of the microphone, you'll find two buttons. The first toggles between a couple of different audio modes that make subtle changes to the way the microphone responds. The first is a narration-only mode, and the second is an instrument-only mode. These changes again are very subtle and largely should not be necessary. The second button is a mute button. When it's on, you can see clearly by the three flashing red lights, and this will mute any audio coming in from the device. The easiest software to use is Audacity. In order to use Audacity, we double-click on the Audacity icon. Now, we want to ensure that we're recording from the right source. The first thing we're going to do is go click on the source menu. We want to make sure it's set to the Shure MV5. Any other entries that are labeled USB microphone may not be the correct source. We can also set subtle settings like playback volume and recording volume. These can largely be left alone. To start recording, we'll click the red record button and then begin speaking or playing into the microphone. Once we're finished recording, we'll click on the stop button, and then to play back any audio we've just recorded, we'll rewind and then click the play button. Now, in order to put our audio in a useful format, we'll need to go to File, Export, and export as MP3. We'll choose a name for our file, and we'll choose where we want to save to, and then click the Save button. This next screen allows us to enter tagging information for software such as iTunes. This isn't required, but if you're going to be putting the track in a library later on, it can be useful. And then once we click OK, the track will save.